everyone, I just got a belt. It comes in this package. It's a one-size-fits-all belt, and it comes in 3 different. This is the blue belt. It comes in black and khaki color, like a tan color, and you can either hook it on using this little clasp right here, like this, or these buttons right here can come open and you can just stick it in on your belt loop right here. So if you don't want it to close in the front, it can close on a belt loop. Also, this belt right here is adjustable. It has a little it says it can fit, it's best for sizes 20 inches to 40. So it's a big difference for, it's a one-size-fits-all belt, which is pretty cool. And I'll show you what it looks like on. Okay, so here it is with this buckle right here. You can just take it off, and you can use this buckle right here and just hook it onto this loop like that. I can imagine this would be good for like maternity, and you don't have to keep changing your pants sizes. You could probably even wear a non-maternity. You can do that. So there's 2 different ways you can have your belt buckle work, which is pretty cool. Okay, so this belt weighs like 88 ounces, so it's super light, and it is made of elastic nylon is what it's made out of, this part. And then this is made out of genuine leather right here. And it's super comfortable to wear. It's great because it doesn't have a big, huge, bulky buckle right here. So like when you bend over or sit down, it won't get in your way and get into your belly, go into your belly, which is pretty cool. It's great for maternity, if you're sitting, if you're a student, if you're like losing weight and you're not ready to buy another pair of pants yet because you're still losing weight, this would be a great option. You feel like you need to unbutton your pants, you can just adjust this. Actually, you probably won't even need to adjust it because this is an elastic and just after a mill, and like a big gap doesn't happen in the back, you know what I mean? And that's nice because it just keeps it tight when you're bending. It also makes a great fashion accessory. You put it around a dress or a winter jacket or something. It'd be really cute as a cute accessory, right? Also, which is super great about this belt, is if you put it on, if we just use these pieces right here and you put them on your belt loop, then it's great when like you have to hurry up and go to the bathroom. You don't have to try to fiddle around trying to unbuckle it. You can just unbutton your pants and pull them down. Isn't that great? So that's another perk. You don't have to mess with the belt loop if you don't want to. You don't have to have this little buckle. You can take it off. You just go like this, take it off, and then you just can put it on here. Just put this on your loop, on your belt loop like this, on each side, which is pretty cool, right? Also, what's cool about this belt is because it's adjustable. Like your kids could wear it, or you could wear it. So it's like super cool, right? Your husband, it's for men or women. Your husband can wear it, you could wear it. The whole family can wear it. I mean, unless you have like a little tiny toddler. So the best measurements for the size is 20 to 40. But that's how small it gets. It's pretty small. And then it gets pretty big. Here's the this is how big it can get. Pretty awesome, right? Flexible, elastic. Ta-da! Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you decide if this is something that's you would like to buy. And yeah, we'll see you later. Bye.